So here I am working on a dishcloth. This is the chain stitch. So now I am doing a single stitch and then a double stitch, and then a single and then a double. So I chained 35. I went to the second hook, second chain from the hook. And this is Christmas in July. So I figured I would use Christmas colors. I am using, oh, you can't read it, kind of blurry. A size 5 crochet hook. And the color is Yuletide, which is red, white, and green. I don't know, now I got this all over. I guess go back to crocheting. So after this row, I will continue to repeat this pattern. And then I will chain one and turn. And after this row, I'm going to stop the video for a bit. This just gives you the gist of it. And I should be playing like Jingle Bells or something with it being Christmas in July. Maybe I can add that to my videos. And I'm trying to keep the chain straight as I go, so it doesn't have a funky turn in it. And this will be a dishcloth. For dishcloths, it's better to use the cotton yarn. They absorb the water. People say cotton's really good for the hot pads too, but I do my hot pads double thick, and I use acrylic. I'm getting closer to the end. I'm just slow, sorry. So every other stitch is a single, and the ones in between are doubles. So that one was a single, this one is a double. And now a single. Got the sun shining right in my eye. So now I'm almost to the end here, and I will, so I should end with a double. So then I will chain one and turn, and I will continue starting with the single and ending with a double. So that'll make it easy for me to remember. I'm going to stop the video here, and I'm going to continue on with this stitch, and I'll do a couple of them, couple rows before I come back on video. So here I'm just finishing up the single crochet around the edge, and I already chained 2 when I started. So I'm going to chain 1. I only did 2 chains, but when I'm taking 1, that still helps with the corner. And of course, I can't get my hook through. I have my strings tying around my bucket that I'm standing on. So I finally got my hook in there. And this one is just a slip stitch, if I could get it to go through. And then I'm going to chain 1. I'm going to cut it like right at the color change. So now I will hide that tail, and three washcloths, dishcloths, and I moved my bucket, sorry, let me tip you down. So 1, 2, 3. Three Christmas dishcloths. Christmas in July.